Good evening. Welcome to M1's shortened news in English, Hungary Reports. I'm Híradó, bringing you today's news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin. Let's get started. Hungary isn't ready to ease restrictions yet, the head of the Prime Minister's office announced on Thursday. Híradó said that according to experts, the country is nearing the peak of the third wave of the pandemic, and if vaccination continues at the current pace, then we may be able to avoid a fourth wave. The minister asked everyone to follow the rules and to decrease the number of contacts with other people in order to slow the pandemic in the upcoming weeks. He added that the government is looking at a multi-step plan for reopening the country.
The
government is considering a multi-step reopening, even if the current data doesn't point to any reasons for opening. We want objective numbers to determine when we can reopen, and we will tie the conditions for that to the percentage of vaccination, so the number of people who have been immunized.
The National Consultation Questionnaire about reopening the country closed Thursday evening at 8 p.m. The government will publish the results this weekend, the head of the Prime Minister's office said at the government press conference on Thursday. Híradó emphasized that the government will decide on the details of the reopening strategy and the immunity card based on the results of the consultation. The COVID-19 infection can have serious long-term complications, both physically and mentally, so the rehabilitation of patients who have recovered from the disease is increasingly important, the Director General of the Szent Ferenc Hospital in Budapest said, mentioning suffocation, fatigue, hair loss, dementia, learning difficulties and sleep issues as possible long-term symptoms. Untitled added that they are already working on a comprehensive rehabilitation program for COVID-19 patients. The Minister of Foreign Affairs and Trade spoke about the opening of the new regional offices of the United Nations Counter-Terrorism and Refugee Agencies in Budapest at the official inauguration on Thursday. Híradó said that currently 7 UN organizations have 9 institutions operating in the Hungarian capital, employing almost 1,500 people. The minister emphasized that foresight and prevention are important in the fight against terrorism, and Hungary is dedicated in contributing to its success. That's all for today. Catch the English news every day around 11:20 p.m. local time or stream it anytime online. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, wear a mask. Good night.